Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we are celebrating the Feast of Saint Mark the Evangelist. He is the author of the second of the four Gospels. He is also known as John Mark, or Saint Peter in our first reading today calls him Mark, my son. And he is perhaps the young boy in Gethsemane when he witnessed the agony of Jesus in the garden, and perhaps he was too young when Jesus died on the cross. Many believe that the Gospel of Saint Mark is the earliest among the four Gospels, and it is the shortest, but we can feel from the writing of Saint Mark, how he was so passionate in writing everything that he witnessed, not directly to Jesus, but with the eyewitnesses, the apostles, Peter and Paul. In our gospel reading today, we have the version of Saint Mark on the Great Commissioning. Jesus, the risen Christ, appeared to the 11 and commissioned them and said, "Go into the whole world and proclaim the gospel to every creature." This Great Commissioning is not only directed to the 11 but to all of us who are baptized. We who receive the sacrament, the grace of faith, are all sent to proclaim the gospel we receive, the gospel we heard, and as baptized, we are sent as missionaries to share the good news to other people. And how can we be missionaries? Our first reading from the first letter of Peter gives us some qualities on how we can become authentic or true missionaries of the gospel. The first characteristic or virtue is humility. Only humble people can share the good news. Humility teaches us to proclaim, to share, not about ourselves, but about the one who called and sent us, about the good news we heard and we witnessed. Kababaan ng loob ang kailangan natin upang sa ganun may pahayag natin ng mabuting balita. Pangalawang karakteristik, trusting, pagtitiwala. Sabi ng ating unang pagbasa ngayon, "Cast all your worries upon Him because He cares for you." And when the Lord sends us, let us not worry what we are going to say and what we are going to eat or wear. Bahala ang Diyos dyan. Magtiwala lang tayo sa providence. Kapag tayo tinawag ng Diyos, we believe God will always provide what we need. Let us trust Him. Pangatlo at panghuli na pwede nating mapulot na karakteristik ng isang missionary is to be sober and vigilant, to be steadfast in our faith in times of trials. Sa ating pagmimisyon, hindi madali. Marami tayong haharapin, maraming pagsubok, maraming tukso. Pero ang isang napakahalagang karakteristik ng isang missionary ay yung mananatili sa pananampalataya, yung kumapit sa Diyos, yung vigilant and sober sa kung anuman ang mga taktika na gagamitin ng demonyo, because when we serve the Lord, the first intention of the devil is to separate us from Him, to discourage us, to lose our desire, our passion in serving the Lord. Kaya po, ang napakahalagang karakteristik ng isang missionary ay yung maging sober or vigilant, to be steadfast in our faith, because once we say yes to the Lord, We will always be tempted by the devil. He will always discourage us so that we will stop in serving the Lord. Mga kapatid, gaya ni Saint Mark, the Evangelist, let us be humble, trusting, and steadfast in faith, missionaries of the Lord, so that, like Saint Mark, we will proclaim the good news to every creature. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Litao Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.